Hey guys, I'm so excited. Today we're going to be doing a mystery box unboxing. I actually have two, but I'm going to do separate videos. So we're going to start with the small mystery box, and this is from Babe's Nails. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to get something from her shop for such a long time, and then I saw these and I was like, perfect. I love a good mystery box, so let's get into it. First, the packaging is so cute. All of these boxes, they're like ombre. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so the first thing that we have in here is two little stickers, which is so cute. I love the little dolphin one. It says send funds. That's so cute. So I got those. Then we have a candy chrome pigment, which is so exciting. So this is obviously for your nails. So I'm really excited. I kind of want to swatch it. Let's give it a swatch. I'm guessing this would be pretty similar to like the pigment for your eyes, but maybe just like not eye safe. You know, I don't know. I'm gonna swatch it with this little thing. It feels like not as creamy as like a one that you'd put on your eyes. So I guess like obviously the formula and stuff would be different, but similar kind of idea, I guess. So that's it there. I don't actually know the shade of this one, but I'll check it soon. It looks really cute, and I feel like, yeah, over the top of like nails, it'd really pop. So that's the first thing we got. Then we got a diamond gel. So I think this is like you know, similar to like a gem kind of glue, that kind of thing, you know, where you can use this to like attach your gems and like your, you know, nail art, and then also you can draw like those little like decoration, like clear decoration things on your nails, if you guys have seen those. So I'm really excited about that. That's very cool. Next we have a little glitter, and this one doesn't have a name on it, so I'm not 100% sure what it is, but it's this really pretty like green glitter. It's super cute. And then the last thing that we have in here is a acrylic powder, and this one is in Astro Bay, and this looks so cool. It's got little glitters and stuff all through it, and this is like a big pot. This is 56 grams, so that looks so stunning. I'm so excited for that. So let's do a little comparison in price and value. From memory, these were actually quite cheap. So, and I also used, they've got like affiliate codes and stuff. So I used one of those as well to get 10% off as well. So, okay, so I paid $20.38 for this. Oh, that's USD. Hang on, let me just figure it out like in Australian, because I don't think it was that much. Oh, weird, okay. Apparently it was $20.38 in USD, but I don't remember paying in USD. Anyway, whatever. Okay, so in Australian it was $30 for the small box. So let's add everything into the cart and see how much all of this stuff came to. Just for reference, this acrylic powder alone is $27, so obviously like everything else is like extra value. I'm pretty sure the glitter we got is called Star Lily. That's what it looks like. It's a raw glitter. And the candy chrome is just called candy chrome, and it's just called green. So this box was $78 worth of value. So that's so great. That's like, I was gonna say almost double. No, it is. It's more than double. So that's really cool. So just for price reference, so yeah, this acrylic powder normally retails for $27. The little glitter normally retails for $8. This diamond gel normally retails for $23, and then the candy chrome normally retails for $20. So I feel like that's such great value. And also I feel like most mystery boxes, not most, I shouldn't generalize, but you know, sometimes mystery boxes I feel like are a way of companies to get rid of like old stock that's not selling very well. But I feel like this is like such a great variety of like this is a new product. So is the diamond gel. So I feel like obviously you can tell that there's been like a lot of like exciting products put in here, and I feel like it's a really nice variety as well. So I'm really impressed with that. So that was the Babe Nails mystery box, the small one. So I'm very excited to see what's in my large one. So tune in to my next video for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.